Ei, mine õpi. Võta kõrvale vähemalt. Küsi minu käest, ma vastan küsimustele. Õpime kõik koos. Väga hea. Nice. Aitäh sulle. Ma sattusin Soome serverisse kuskile. Vittu meil on Saaferid kalapark. $40 taimandit või?
Build, you will need an area that is at least 16 blocks wide, 9 blocks high, and 8 blocks deep. This is where your floor will later go, so it needs to be at least 2 blocks deep, and below it you need a space of at least 3 blocks. Your wall needs to be at least 5 blocks high, and behind it you will need an additional 5 blocks of space.
Palju siis? See on see control panel nii-öelda. 16 lai, sellest me laiust on põhiline meil, ma arvan.